we are looking at not only the innovation of the idea, but we're also looking at the team and the amount of experience that the team has in that domain so that their learning curve is shorter. The amount of technology enablement they have done and the business traction that they've already generated. So we focus much more on sort of post-seed funding. We'll probably come in at a growth funding or a pre-series A level. See, I think there is fundamentally no difference between a startup, whether it is in a metro or a tier 2 or a tier 3, right? Startups are startups, and most of these startups are addressing national level problems, are looking to scale up pan-India. So in terms of the nature of the startup or their aspiration, I don't see much of a difference. Where we do see some challenges is in terms of the level of maturity for some of these startup founders, because there are not as many success stories, as active an ecosystem available in tier 2 cities. Their exposure and their sort of lack of experience sometimes becomes a limiting factor. But beyond that, I think they're there in terms of being able to compete at a national level. Swan Angel Network is very, very startup friendly, I would say. So we are very approachable. We get back to people very quickly. You can find me on LinkedIn and send me a ping, or you can look up Swan Angel Network's website and send us a message from there. We get back to every single message.
It's been brilliant. It's a fantastic event, and the kind of people who walked into our stall and the interaction that we had at the stall are just unmatchable. I think we have been across several events in the last 1 year.
We have recently launched our version 2.0 of the process that we follow. It is essentially a startup launch accelerator which we are trying to help startups to launch